Confused about which MDS branch to choose? Endodontics, orthodontics, oral surgery. Everyone says something different. But today, I will break it down simply so you can choose the best branch based on your interest, lifestyle, and future goals. After BDS, many students feel stuck between clinic, job, or MDS. But MDS is not just a degree, it gives you specialization, better earning potential, higher respect and authority, more career option, clinical, academic, or abroad. Choosing the right branch is more important than just doing MDS. How to choose a branch? Before we jump into branches, ask yourself, do I like clinical work or theory or research? Do I want high income or stable lifestyle? Am I okay with long procedures or quick treatments? Your personality decides your branch, not trend. Now let's move to the branches. I will provide you few pointers from which you can decide which branch suits you the most. Endodontics. If you love precision and fast results, endodontics is for you. Root canal treatments equal to high patient flow, short procedures compared to surgery, excellent income in private practice. It is best for people who want money plus speed plus clinical work. Oral pathology. If you prefer non clinical plus academics, diagnosis of diseases, lab based work, teaching, and research opportunities. This is best for people who love theory plus research plus academics. Let's move to periodontics. This branch is underrated but growing fast. It includes gum surgeries plus implants, laser dentistry, increasing demand due to implants. It is best for people who want surgery plus future growth plus balanced life. Most awaited branch, pedodontics. If you love kids, this is the happiest branch. Treating children, fun, colorful clinics, emotionally rewarding. It is best for people who are patient friendly and love working with kids. Let's move to prosthodontics. This is the king of rehabilitation. Implants, dentures, full mouth rehab. High end cases equal to high earnings. Requires precision and patience. So, this is best for people who love detailed work plus aesthetics plus premium dentistry. Let's move to orthodontics. If you love aesthetics and smile design, orthodontics is amazing. Braces, aligners, smile correction, high demand, especially aligners trend. Long term patient but very satisfying results. It is best for people who enjoy art plus patience plus smile transformation. Oral surgery. If you want power packed procedures, oral surgery is intense. Extractions, trauma, surgeries, hospital based plus private practice. High respect but physically demanding. It is best for people who love surgery plus adrenaline rush in them plus hands on work. The last but not the least, public health dentistry or community dentistry for those who want impact at a larger scale. Government jobs, dental camps, community health programs. This is best for people who want job security plus social impact. Final advice: there is no best branch. Only the best branch for you is: don't choose based on peer pressure, trends, or just money. Instead, choose based on interest, lifestyle, long term vision. If this helped you, drop a comment. Which branch are you choosing? And subscribe Dental Vision for more dental career guidance.